welcome to the gift section. Rinpoche has been giving away gifts since he first came to Malaysia in '92. The purpose of a gift section is actually to help and to assist Rinpoche in giving out gifts, and it's actually for someone's spiritual practice to advance, and also at the same time is in appreciation of work done for the organization. There are many types of gifts which Rinpoche normally gives away. It's in accordance to someone's needs and personality. This is a mala which has been blessed by Rinpoche. This is a rule for protection, and we have pendants, we have statue, we have marks and books, and sometimes we do give away thangkas and all sorts of things, but it depends. It depends as on when a person needs something in their spiritual growth or practice. Rinpoche also give away non-dharma gifts like handbags, wallet, soft toys, and all these non-dharma gifts to volunteers, to students, and also to people who has helped the organization, not necessarily students of Rinpoche.
I've received the thangka of Manjushri. Another one would be the Lama Songkhapa and Sons. It's about 2.5 feet. I think I like the thangka of Manjushri the best. I guess every time I see the Manjushri thangka, I'm reminded that I need to get more knowledge, so that from knowing more knowledge, I'm able to practice more in that sense. So I guess the thangka of Manjushri is the one that I cherish the most.
Tsongkhapa Sata and books and malas, and through the years we've just given many spiritual related gifts like thangkas and more statues. I think the favorite would be the Vajrayogini statue that Rinpoche offered. It's very, very meaningful, very, very beautiful statue, and something to remind me of every day, to work towards, that I may receive her blessings and also her practice in the near future.
Oh yes, many times, very often. Rinpoche is very generous, and over the years I've been receiving lots and lots of gifts. A marble Buddha of Shakyamuni Buddha from Burma. I would say every gift to Rinpoche is very precious to me. One of it is tata, a protector tata, and this is my most favorite gift.
Rinpoche's gifts oftentimes bring people onto the path, open up their mind to be more receptive, and to be close to the teachings. So the benefit is tremendous.
I think when you receive anything from one's Lama, of course that item is blessed, and most of the time the Lama will give you items, that can actually make you grow spiritually.
Very much. Actually, I was really thinking about the gift, so this is a fantastic. It's a very, very wonderful gesture, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Rinpoche. This is really useful for the BSP.
What is it?
It's a bag. This is a little bag.
Ah,
Given to me. Thank you, Rinpoche. Speechless. Thank you.
Dear Rinpoche, thank you very much. I just have a quiet moment by myself. I'm so touched by this gift. I have nothing to offer you except my practice.
Thank you. I love to say thank you to Rinpoche. He's a very kind Lama. The kindest man I ever seen in my whole life. And the only kind man I've really seen in my whole life. Tales are from the crypt.
Majority of the gift, as you can see behind, is a mixture. Some are donated, some has been specially selected and bought by Rinpoche or the Ladrang staff. Anyone who is interested can donate in kind and or contact me for the list of gifts which we need at any point of time.